Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint. So I will just give you the tips, and yeah, it is very easy. I think everyone can do it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, we're going to start by Microsoft Word. So I'll just go and open Microsoft Word. So from here, we suggest a lot of templates, as you can see, but because it is the first time, I'm going to choose blank document. So I will click on it, and this is how Microsoft Word look like. So I know it's not really hard. So I'm gonna go with, like, I will explain almost everything important you need to know in Microsoft Word. So here we will start on File. So here on File, you will find Info, is where all the information about Microsoft Word, you find them here. So New, you will find a blank document. Also, you will find these templates to choose from. If you don't have much time, you will just choose any templates and download it. I will just explain it more at the end of this video. So here, open, you will find the other documents that you've done so far. So save is where all the saved documents are. Save as, you can click save as if you want to save for the first time. Print, you can click print when you want to print your document. Share, you can share, invite people, or share via email, and so on. Export, you can export your video by clicking here on export. And finally close. If you click close, then your Microsoft Word will be closed. So that's the introduction. So now we are here on home. So all you need to do is how to, like, when you have a word, for example, you will select a word before you change your text, maybe. So by clicking here, I will be changing my text, making it bold, as you can see. So by clicking here, I'll be changing my font text, the font of my text. So there's a lot of fonts to choose from, as you can see. So it's up to you to use any that you like. So by clicking here, or click Ctrl+Shift+P, you change the size of your text. For example, I would change it into 24. You can see that the size has increased. So by clicking here, you underline your text. There's also, you can underline however you want. So, and I will click here again to remove the changes. So, when I click here is to increase size, to make it bigger, or when I click here, I will be reducing the size. So when I click here, it's it makes your text pop by highlighting it in a brighter color. So from here, I'll be choosing any color that I want my text to be highlighted. The color that I want to highlight my text, as you can see. So maybe I'll choose this here. Also, by clicking here, you change the effects and typography. For example, I'll be changing the effects of my text. So I can also click here, outline, and choose any color that I want. So I can also click here on shadow and choose any shadow that I want. The outer shadow, inner shadow, perspective. So I can also click here, reflection, and choose any reflection that I want for my text. And I can also click here, but first you have to select the word first and click here to add the changes. So yeah, I think that's it. And by clicking here, I'll be changing the color of my text. So yeah, so and then when I click here, for example, I will write a lot of things and I will select them. So by clicking here, I'll center my text on the page like this. You can see that my text is in the middle, and then when I click here is to align your content with the right margin. So if I click here, my text will be on the right. So if I click here, it will be on the left. So yeah, and then also if I click here, it's to create bulleted list. Like there's a lot of bullets to choose from. So I will click here. I choose maybe you can choose any bullets that you like. Maybe let me choose this, so I can write anything I want, like this, or I can change and use maybe this. So this is how to add bullets on your text. Also, there's more here, numbering. I can choose from this maybe, or this, or ABC, like, you can choose whatever you want. I will remove it by clicking on it again. So there's also here, you can choose alerts that you want. So I will reduce the size. Okay, also here you can move your paragraph closer to the margin. Also here you can move it further away from the margin. And here you can line and paragraph spacing. So you can choose how much space appears between lines of text or between paragraphs. So here it's shading. You can shade, for example, this is the word I want to shade in. So I will just select the word first and go here and choose the color I want to shade in. maybe I'll choose maybe this. So this is how you shade in in your text. So I will remove the color as usual. So and then this you can arrange in the current selection in alphabetical or numerical order if you want. Or from here, for example, I will write anything that I want, and I will select. So by clicking here, it's no spacing, as you can see. Heading, like you choose the style of your text by clicking to any of these, as you can see. And if you want more, you can click here and choose from these, adjust the settings, and yeah. So by clicking here, you find text or content in the document. So when you want to find a text on the document, you click here and type the word, then you will find it quickly. Or when you want to replace the word into another word, you click here. So I think when you want to copy something, you click here. When you want to remove the selection and put it on clipboard so you can paste it somewhere else, you click here on cut. Also paste, you paste what you copied, or paste, you can click Ctrl V. While copy, you can click Ctrl C. Paste, you can click Ctrl X. So I think that's pretty much it on inside. On home, so we are going on inside. So on inside, we find a cover page, blank page, page break, table, pictures, online pictures, shapes, Smartheart, chart. You find a lot of things. I'll try to make it easy. So the first thing we're going look, this is the cover page. So from here, you choose any cover that you want. We suggest a lot of covers to choose from, so up to you to choose any that you like and change a little things you want to change. And maybe I'll choose this, so I can change this word title, make my own title, maybe word, adjust a few changes, subtitle, and yeah, and this is how to add a title. So we're here. So when you want to add a blank page anywhere in your document, you just click here. As you can see, it is added. So this is how to add a blank page. So when you want to add page break, you click here. And yeah, as you can see. So it is very easy. You can find a cover page, blank page, page break here on inside. So from here, we're going to add tables. So this is how to add tables. You just select number of rows and columns that you want for your tables, and yeah, that's it. As you can see, this is our table, and you can adjust small changes like table style. You can choose from these. Also, shading. You can shade any color that you want. Maybe I will shade a few colors By clicking here on shade, you will add any colors within your table. So you know, it's very easy. You come here on shade and add any colors that you want, or you can select and come here and pick any color like this. So this is how to add colors to shade within your table. So also you can write wherever you want. It's very easy. Just write anything you want, and yeah, like this. So this is how you create tables by going here on inside and tables and add whatever you want. So we are done with tables. Now we are going to add pictures. So here we will add pictures by clicking here, and so after clicking here you will search for the pictures you want to add within your document. So I will just add any picture that I want. Maybe I'll choose this. After choosing or after selecting pictures, you're gonna click here on insert and the pictures will be added. So this is the picture we added. So by adding a picture, you can go here and remove background if you want. Also, you can choose the color, any color that you want. But from this color tone or saturation, or you know, but I don't want to add any color. Also, you can add effects. So also you can add a picture style by clicking to any that you like. But I don't want to add that. So you can also add picture effects or picture layout or picture border. So this is it. This is how to add picture in your document by going on inside and add pictures. So there's also another way you can add picture by online pictures by clicking here online pictures, and I will search for anything that I want. Maybe I will write like maybe I'll write makeup and see. So I will choose from these pictures. You choose pictures that you like. So yeah, choose any pictures that you like. So maybe this and click inside. You will just have to wait for a few minutes for them to be downloaded. So as you can see, these are the pictures that I chose. You can edit them by making them however you like. You know, adjust a few changes and yeah, it's done. So This is how you add pictures online. Is it right? So then we are here on inside. So we are going to add shapes. Also, I'm gonna click here on shapes and choose any shape that I want, and I'm gonna click here on shapes and choose any shape that I want, and yeah, so I will choose these two. One more, I will maybe choose this. Yeah, so from here I can choose shape style. Also, I can fill any color I want in these shapes, like this. So it's very easy. You go here on shape fill and just select any color that you want for your shape, like this. So this is how to add shapes by going here on inside and shapes and choose from. There's a lot of shapes to choose from, so it's up to you to choose any that you like. And also you can change colors. Yeah, so also you can change shape effects by clicking here. There's a lot of effects you can choose from. Also you can choose shadow of your shape. Also you can choose reflection. Also you can choose glow or soft edge, choose for 3D rotation. Yeah, so, and I think, yeah, so I think that's it. That's how to add shapes in your document. So we are here on Smartheart. So we are going to add Smartheart graphic. So I will click here on Smartheart and choose any Smartheart graphic that I like to use and use it. So it's very easy. Maybe if it's this one, I'll just click OK. And I will just, yeah, wait, let me delete it first. Okay, I'm gonna choose another paper. Yeah, so from here, I'm going to add Smartheart by clicking here and choose from this. So I'll choose maybe this. So it is added on my paper. So I can click here, change colors and pick any colors that I like, and yeah, like this. And also I can type in any words that I want. So this is how to add a Smartheart in your document. So I will add another. The last one, I will just pick any that that I like, and maybe this. And click OK. So this is it. So I can change color if I want. Any color that you want. Maybe let me choose this. Also, I can change Smartheart style by clicking to any style that I want. There's a lot to choose from. So maybe this, and I can also type words that I want. So this is it. So this is how to add Smartheart in your document. So I'll just, yeah. So we're going to add a chart. We are going to add chart. So I'm gonna click here on chart and select any that I want. Column, line, there's a lot to choose from, as you can see. It depends on the graph you want or the data you have. So I'm gonna go here and choose this. Click OK. So this is it. It is added. So I can change also color if I want. I don't want to change colors. Or I'll change it. Choose this, and also you can add chart element, quick layout, chart style. Choose any style that you want. Or change chart type. So select data or edit data. So you can do all of these. So again, we're here. Also, you can screenshot. You can add online video here by clicking here. You can also add comments, add a note about this part of the document. You can add header or footer or page number. Also, you can add text box by clicking here and choose any text box that you like. Maybe I choose this here, and I'll just have to write whatever I want. And like this. And so this is it. This is how to add text box in your document. So word art, you can choose any that you want for your text. So yeah, here you can add a signature line if you want, and also you can add date and time. Also you can add objects. So you can also add equations and symbols. So let us add equations, for example, maybe this. So we just reduce the size, and also I can highlight this equation. Yeah, like this. So this is how to add equations within your text. So also, I think we are done here on inside. Design is where you choose the design for your text or your document. So yeah, you choose from these. You can also add colors and fonts. Yeah, you can also add watermark if you want. So maybe let's add, there's a lot to choose from. Let's maybe add this draft. As you can see, it is added. It is added, and you can also change page color or page borders. So page layout. Here you can change margin orientation. You can choose portrait or landscape. So I don't want to change anything. You can also choose the paper size for your document. You can also split your text into 2 or more columns if you want. You can page break. There's a lot you can do here. For reference, you can add table of content. You can add text. Yeah, that's here on mailings. You choose if you're sending mail, you will need an envelope. So you click here, and yeah, labels. Also sending mail, you will need labels. Start mail, merge. So create one document and send it to multiple people. So yeah, so review is where you check all the spelling and grammar. Define, when you're not sure what a word means. To find out, you just click here. When you are at a loss of words, they will suggest another way to say what you mean. Also, here, words, character, lines, they count them for you, so you don't have to word count. So translate, you translate into different language if you want. So here you choose any language that you want, and here when you want to compare two documents to see the differences between them, just click here. So, and then here view, you just choose how you want to view it. If it's read mode, here print layout, you check out how your document will look when it's printed. Here ruler, you can add ruler. Print line, you can add them, but I don't want to add them. So, or you can zoom by clicking here. You can, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So we are going to view like what we did so far. And see what they look like. So we will start at the beginning. So this is it. And I think that's it. So um yeah, and so this is how it look like, what we did so far. And it is easy, so I'm going to give you tips when you are in hurry and you don't want to do all of this. You just what you can do. So you will just go here on file and click here on new, and you're gonna choose within these templates any that you like that is similar to what you're going to do. For example, if I want to do the calendar, I'll just click here because it is the same as this and click create. Adjust a little changes and that's it. So also I will add another thing. So maybe I will choose this and click create to download it. And this is it. So you just go here on new, on file, and click here on new and write anything you want. Maybe business. They will just give you anything. You can download what you like and add them to your document. So let's let's review how this template is. Business plan. So this is it. If you want to do the business plan, you can just choose maybe this and adjust a few changes, and yeah, it'll be easy than starting your own project. So this is it. As you can see. And one last thing before we close. So you cannot forget to save your document. So first, when you start, remember to save. So if it is the first time you click here on Save As, then you choose where you want to save your document, maybe on desktop. I will write maybe Word and PowerPoint, for example, and save. So you be sure that you not lost your document. So I think from here we are done with Microsoft Word, and now we are going to Microsoft PowerPoint. So it is really easy. So all you need to do is to open Microsoft PowerPoint and double click on it, and this is it. So there's a lot of templates to choose from. So If you are busy, you can choose from these, but if you want to do your own PowerPoint presentation, you just click on here, blank presentation. So this is how it looks like. First, I'm going to explain all of this: insert, design, transition, animation, slideshow, review, view, almost everything. So here on file, you find info, you find all the information about PowerPoint. New is where you're going to choose from these templates, or you're going to choose blank presentation. Open is where you find all the presentation you've done, or all your documents you did. So save is where you click when you want to save your document. Save as, you click save as for the first time. Print is where you click when you want to print your presentation or document. Here is where you click when you want to invite people, or share via email, or publish slides, or present online. Export is where you export. You click when you want to export maybe your document you've done, or the video, or anything. So close is where you click close your PowerPoint. So I'm gonna click here, save as, if it's the first time you're going to save, and choose the location. I'm gonna choose maybe desktop. I'll write I'm now gonna write presentation 1, for example, and save. So this is it. So and then we are going to go through everything here. So yeah, so this is how it looks like on home. So if you want to add a slide, if you want to add a slide to your presentation, you click here. There's a lot of slides to choose from, office theme to choose from. So maybe I will add this. You add as much as you want. Depends on what you want to do. Maybe I will add title slide, or title and content, or section header, or to content, or comparison, or blank page, or picture with caption, or I will just add content with caption. You add what you want to use, and this is how to add slides to your presentation. So from here, we are here, and here you add title. So I will reduce here the size. Also, I will choose maybe this font for my text. So if I want to make my text bold, I'll click here. If I want to underline, I'll click here. And yeah, let's do it. So I will write whatever I want as the title. So I will select, and so I will increase the maybe 48. Or if you want to increase the text a bit bigger, you click here. Like this. If you want to make it a bit smaller, you click here. Also, if you want to change the color of your text, you click here and choose from any of these. So also, if I want to align, if you want to align your text, your content to the left, you click here. If you want to align it to the right, you click here. If you want your content to be in the middle, you click here. So if you want to fill the selected shape into a solid color, you click here and choose any color that you want. From here, you will click to add subtitle. You will write whatever you want, like this, and yeah, this is how you do it. So we will go here on another slide. So you can add shapes from here. Okay, also before adding shapes, you can also from the second slide, you can click to add title. You can click whatever you want, select, make it bold, underline if you want because it's a title. Also increase the size if you want, so make it in the middle, for example, and fill into any color that you want. Maybe this, and click to add text. So from here, you will just click whatever you want, and also you can select all of your text and go here and fill the color, choose the color you want for your text, maybe this, and well, also you can adjust shape effects. There's a lot. You can add shadows or reflection or glow or 3D rotation, Yeah, so also I'll go to the third slide. I will add text as usual. So after selecting, I will just maybe choose any color that I want. Maybe this. I will also do this, for example. Make it bold. Also, maybe let me choose this. Yeah. Here, if I want, I can just add shapes from here or click on inside. So we are here on inside. Let's first add tables. I can click here to add slide, a new slide. Like this. Also to add table, I'll click here and choose number of rows and columns I want for my table. Can name it table. So from here I can change the colors, fill in with any color that I want, anywhere I want within my table. So also one more. So also you can write anything you want within your table. It's very easy. You just type anything you want. So this is how to add table by going here on inside and add table. So I'll click here on another slide if I want to add pictures. Maybe I'll add this. inside, and it is added. So I will name it picture. So if this picture, I can change anything. I can click to this picture and yes, resize it and like make it bigger. Also, let me add another picture by clicking here on insert and picture. Maybe I will add this and click insert. So it is added. I will just have to zoom. Like, so this is how to add pictures within. I can change picture color by clicking here and choose any color that I want. Like this. Also this, I can choose any color that I want. I can also change remove background and also change picture style. Also I can change picture effects. There's a lot to choose from and I can just choose one. So yeah, so we are here again. I will add new slides. To work with. So we are here, and now if I can also add online pictures by clicking here, and I will just maybe I will type trees and see. So they give me different trees, and I will choose what I want and add them in my presentation. So I'll click inside and I will just have to wait for a few minutes. So these are all the pictures. I will just go here and these are all the pictures. I'll click here. I can click Control X or cut and paste it here by clicking Control V. Also, I will go to another picture and click Control X and paste it here. I will do the same for this picture. I will do the same again. I will do the same again. I will add new slide. So I will paste it here. I will go back and check. I think it's done. All I need to do is to resize. No, it's not done. I will just take this picture and paste it here. So yeah, all that is left to do is to resize them, these pictures however you want, and yeah, they are added on a document. So this is how to add pictures online. So also you can screenshot, you can add photos, photo album, you can add shapes, think their shapes by clicking here on shapes and choose shapes that you want. Also, choose shapes that you want and add them. So you can also fill these shapes with any color that you want. By clicking here on shape fill and here like this. So also here on inside, we can add Smartheart by clicking here and choose any design or any Smartheart graphic that you like. Maybe I will choose this. And from here it is added. I will change the color. Also, you can type anything you want. So I will just write whatever I want. So maybe let me add Smartheart. Yeah, hold in the middle or change. Yeah, like this. So here I can also add a chart if I want. So maybe I will add this. There's a lot to choose from, so you can choose any that you will love to use, and yeah, click OK and it is added. You can change color here if you want, but I don't want to change color. Also, you can also add another chart. Maybe I will go here or here, and maybe this. I will click OK and it is added. You can change color by clicking here and change color that you like. Also, you can add chart elements. You can do a quick layout, change chart type. You can edit data or select data. You can change chart style by clicking here. So I will rename it chart and put it in the middle. Make it bold. Yeah, so yes, and so also if you want, you can add text box and write whatever you want. Yeah, also here you can write something. You can write something. Here you can write title, for example. You just fill in any color that you want. In the middle, for example, make it bold, change like this, and also maybe here you can write whatever you want. And yeah, also here you can maybe here but I don't want it. Yeah, like I just will not do anything. So we're here on inside. Here you can add some artistic word, add text box. Choose from these. Also, you can add date and time. You can also add slide number. You can add object. You can add equations by clicking maybe here. Yes, so this is the equations. You can make it bigger by clicking here. Also, you can fill in any color that you like. This. So from we're here. Also, you can add a video or audio within your text by clicking here. If it's a video, if it's an audio, by clicking here. So here, design, you can choose any design you want for your text. So there's a lot to choose from. So if you want, you can change, and you can change the slide size, format background. So transition. So let's add transition. It makes your presentation really cool. And yeah, maybe here I will add this. Here I will add this. So you will know when it's added that you find a little star here. So I'll just click on the slide, go here on transition and choose any transition that I want. So here there's more you can choose from. So it's up to you to choose whatever you want. Yeah, it makes your presentation really cool. So I will choose whatever I want. And yeah. So I'm still adding maybe I'll choose this. So after choosing the transition, I'm almost done. So also you can adjust the duration, and sound if you want. So this is how to add a transition. Here, slideshow, let's see what we did so far. But before we view our presentation, I will go, if you want to record slideshow, you click here and start record. If you want to rehearse timings, you click here. Also review, if you want to check spellings or research anything or translate into a different language or change the language, or if you want to compare this presentation, like to compare and combine another presentation with your current presentation. So view, you choose how you want to view your presentation. Also, you can add ruler or green line if you want, but I don't. So you can zoom in, you can, yeah, that's pretty much everything you need to know about PowerPoint presentation. So let's click here on slideshow and from the beginning and see what we did so far. So this is a transition, makes it really cool, make your presentation really cool. So another thing I'm going to teach you, if you're really busy and you don't have time to do your own presentation, you just go here and click new and choose from these different templates. You're going to choose any templates that you want by clicking here. For example, if I want to add this and use it, or just click create and yeah, add to my, adjust a few changes and yeah, use it. So I will slideshow and show you the perfect presentation, how it look like. So this is it. And it's really quick. You can use this strategy if you don't have time to do your own design or wherever. So this is how it is. So yeah. And our presentation, this is how it is. It's almost everything. We added tables, we added graphs, we added charts, we added image online or within your computer. We added graphs and equations. So that's pretty much it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the end. Be sure to subscribe for more videos if you didn't, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And